The Mitsubishi Outlander key fob for 2022 to 2024 models uses a CR2032 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the slot on the side or back of the fob. Gently pry it open, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up with the positive side marked with a plus sign. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your car. It should beep. Kits with the battery and tools cost about $5 to $10 online. If the fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, try reprogramming it by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. This should resync it with your car's computer. If that fails, an OBD2 scanner might be needed for advanced diagnostics. Always handle the fob's internal circuit carefully to avoid damage. User reports indicate that software updates and smartphone app integrations can drain the battery faster, 1 to 2 years instead of 3 to 5. If issues persist, consider visiting a Mitsubishi service center. Avoid cheaper battery alternatives like CR2025.